Ask a spectator to give you a deck of cards. If they don't have a deck, then provide a deck, in which they'll shuffle. The main point is that it's a random deck. Next, have the spectator think of any card. Once they know of one, have them find it in the deck and face it down on the table. But we'll randomly select one now. Tell them to pick up around half of the deck and place their cards sticking out of the deck like this. Once you have demonstrated this, tell them to do the same. After they've done this, ask them if they agree that their card is roughly in the middle. Push in their card and square up the deck. Tell the spectator that you're going to shuffle the deck in two different ways. One is a standard shuffle, and one is a casino shuffle. The casino shuffle is when you separate the deck into two separate decks, shuffling each one of them independently. Make two separate piles of equal number of cards and shuffle them. Combine the two decks together. Point out the piece of paper that's been on the table the whole time. Tell them that you had written down a prediction. In this case, the number is 25. Ask the spectator to count down 25 cards from the top and reveal that card. Start by writing the number 25 on a piece of paper and fold it. Ask the spectator for a card deck with no jokers or advertising cards. Have them think of a card and pull it out, placing it face down on the table. We'll select a random one, in this case, the Jack of Hearts. Demonstrate how you want them to place their card around halfway in the deck, sticking out like this. Using both hands to push the card into the deck, hit it slightly above the middle of the card. As you can see, the spectator's card will reveal itself at the back of the deck. Experiment with different amounts of speed until you find that sweet spot in which you can see their card, but they cannot. Tell the spectator that you're going to shuffle the deck two different ways, a regular shuffle and a casino shuffle. Place your thumb on their revealed card and lift the cards above their card off to start the regular shuffle. When shuffling, make sure that their card, which is on the top, remains on the top by letting a few cards near the top fall last. After the ripple shuffle, turn the deck to the left and grasp the top card with your thumb and the back card with these 3 fingers. With your left hand, pull the rest of the cards out immediately, placing the 2 cards behind the deck and mixing the rest of the cards in front. The spectator's card is now the second from the last. Now simply start dealing the cards into 2 equal decks while explaining that this is called the casino shuffle. The spectator's card will end up on the top of the left pile. Using the same 2 maneuvers that were done on the whole deck, shuffle the left deck. The spectator's card will end up second from the bottom on the left deck. Shuffle the right deck the same way for visual consistency, but nothing special needs to be ordered on this deck. Make sure you combine the left deck onto the right deck. The Jack of Hearts is now in the 25th position. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.